Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unpouching to share with you guys. Truthfully, I've already unboxed this and I got really confused, but I worked out the details and I still want to share it with you guys, so I'm going to do that. Thank you so much to Adam for sending this in. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. Seriously, thank you so much. There's a link for Patreon right down below. Feel free to check it out. We do lots of cool stuff over on Patreon. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, the note says, this is why I got confused. It said, inside is my MBK Turbo. Please feel free to use/carry as you wish. Thanks for all the content and all you do for the community as a whole. Here's why I was confused. So I didn't know what the MBK Turbo looked like. All I saw was Peter Carey and, experience the action on this thing, which is phenomenal. I was pumped to see that it was contoured titanium. It was a liner lock instead of an exposed frame lock. And I was like, wow, this is a Peter Carey. Why does it say MBK like Monterey Bay Knives? This is a collaboration between Monterey Bay Knives and Peter Carey called the MBK Turbo. At the time of this recording, this knife is available. I just went and checked. I had to, in fact. These knives run $220 and it's M390 and titanium and bearings and all that good stuff, right? I love that this is a countersunk liner lock. I love that. The action, I can't stress this enough. The action is just stupidly smooth, right? Really, really cool. You can see right there, M390 on the blade. This is nice. I would never have known that this existed had Adam not sent this to me. So thank you so much for doing that. You can check this out on, I think it was the Monterey Bay Knives website that I found this on. But yeah, you can check that out if you'd like. But right off the bat, yeah, pretty solid. That clip, the fact that it's contoured and flat makes it really easy to hang onto and squeeze without getting much of a hot spot. And then also you can squeeze as much as you want and not affect the lockup at all because it's behind the scale and not exposed like it would be if it were a frame lock. In fact, ergonomically all the way around, this thing is very comfortable. Plenty of room to disengage that liner lock there. Blade looks good. I really wish they had tumbled it. I'm getting sick of these just kind of like, yeah, just put a satin finish on it, right? I mean, that's what it looks like. It's just a incredibly plain machine satin finish. That's the only thing that bothers me. Nice rounding on the spine, shouldering, I guess. Interesting, I guess we're going to call that a spear point blade with a swedge, or maybe not a spear point, we'll call it drop point with a swedge. Modified, it's actually a modified drop point, whatever you want to call it. Blade, drop point-esque looking blade with a swedge out near the tip. Definitely a great EDC design. I love the Dragon Spine backspacer. I think that's really cool. I saw that on the custom Cayman that I had sent to me from Scott, so that's a nice touch there. Looks like this is not, I was going to say, oh, I hope it's not integral or proprietary hardware, right? Sorry, integral is the wrong word. But no, yeah, they've got a nice Torx head there. It looks like these are probably T6, and the pivot is a T8. Nice tumbling on the scales. Real nice. Nice contouring, nice tumbling on the scales and the pocket clip. Yeah, it's a good looking knife. These are not going to be made in the United States. Do with that information what you will. They're there if you want to check them out. If not, that's perfectly fine as well. I just wanted to make sure and share this with you guys. Thanks again to Adam for sending this in. Like I said, this is just an unboxing and first impressions, not a review. You'll get a full comprehensive review 2 to 3, maybe 4 weeks down the road from now. So feel free to check that out. Make sure that you're subscribed. If you're new to my channel, I upload knife content daily. I've been doing that for years now, and it's just going to keep going. Anyways, guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.